nigo OMORAI BW'ENSE hakandite kwarigania ime yenyumba henene y'oborai gasomo chu Nairobi nigo rituko ria rero harigania abarai bedini y'Egeislamu habo ase erigosanga nere OMORAI BW'ENSE oenekeire abaislamu gotatananwa sobokoreri bwa serikali muna sokonyora ebibande una abakenya bande gati abarai abaislamu bakorogo n'umuwaziri Aden Duale nigo bono bamwakire mbia OMORAI BW'ENSE ase okorokia obwanchani gochase edini y'abaislamu morikito na mange
Egeikrao ebyumbe ao n'OMORAI BW'ENSE William Ruto ime yenyumba y'oborai abarai bedini y'abaislamu ime ya Kenya na barabo mbariganibwa n'omoske William Ruto rituko ria rero ime yenyumba y'obogambi. OMORAI Ruto oenekire gochia kubeka obomo asa abaislamu na abakristo asokonyora obokoreri bwa serikali ogwatananwa goteyo nigakanire ogochandwa kwa abaislamu chingaki baganiti bibande n'obokoreri bonde bwa serikali.
Muliniambia ya kwamba pale kwenye kupatikana kitambulisho na pasipoti iko ubaguzi, iko discrimination, iko marginalization, kwamba ukiwa Muislamu unaulizwa maswali kutoka hapa mpaka Johannesburg. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mimi nikawaambia Mungu akinipa nafasi hiyo ubaguzi nitaiondoa. Tarehe 5 mwezi wa pili 2025 nikasign proclamation ya kuondoa ile vetting ilikuwa inaleta ubaguzi kwa ndugu zetu Waislamu na jamii zingine ambazo zilikuwa zinadhulumiwa. Sio ya kwamba vitambulisho zitapatianwa kiholela, hapana. Tulisema ya kwamba kila Mkenya achukuliwe sawa na Mkenya mwingine.
Omuwaziri w'obochenu Aden Duale nero motogire Ruto asokoleta monchorerio na korokia obwanchani obonene ase abaislamu ase ugutabatanana.
Tangu mimi niliingia siasa, kama kuna mtu ambaye si wa dini wa Kiislamu, the only leader who does not profess the Muslim faith and who has contributed immensely mali yake kusaidia kujenga misikiti na madarasa na kusimama na Waislamu, Your Excellency, you are the only one.
Abarai kurochinsemo ao abaislamu bamwakeire mbuya ase okubinyura boigo na kumusaba agache college y'obwalimu ime yechinsemo cha Western asokonyora abalimu abaislamu.
I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude on behalf of the Muslim scholars from Eastern region and the entire Muslim community in Kenya. We sincerely thank you and your government for recognizing the important role that faith leaders play in shaping the moral fabric.
So kindly we are requesting that you add us another Muslim college like Mikindani, the one we have in Mombasa, to teach teachers for IRE. And this college should be in no other than Western Kenya. The reasons are two. Muslims in Western Kenya were slightly disadvantaged. Our brothers in Northeastern in Mombasa, alhamdulillah, they have established themselves. So tafadhali daktari, that is the request.
Kuripoteria BW'ENSE erita Nidinamura.